On the morning of Friday, January 2nd, 2026, a strong earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 6.5 struck southern and central Mexico, centered near the town of San Marcos in the state of Guerrero along the Pacific coast.
Verga. Y el edificio.
The powerful shaking began at approximately 7:58 a.m. local time and was felt across a wide area, including Guerrero, Mexico City, and several neighboring states. Seismic alert systems were immediately activated, sending loud alarms through cities and triggering emergency notifications on millions of mobile phones. Residents rushed to evacuate homes, offices, hospitals, schools, and public buildings as the ground shook. The epicenter was located offshore near Guerrero, one of Mexico's most seismically active regions, due to the ongoing subduction of the Cocos Plate beneath the North American plate. This tectonic interaction regularly produces strong earthquakes, and today's event once again highlighted the region's vulnerability. In coastal and inland communities alike, people described intense shaking lasting several seconds, causing furniture to move, windows to rattle, and objects to fall from shelves.
Oh shit, it's an earthquake. Oh. Quédate. Ay, quédate. Ay.
In Mexico City, located more than 200 kilometers from the epicenter, the earthquake was clearly felt. Buildings swayed, emergency sirens echoed through the streets, and evacuations were carried out according to established protocols.
Hoy se sigue moviendo.
Government buildings, residential towers, and commercial centers were temporarily cleared as safety procedures were implemented. Authorities conducted rapid inspections of key infrastructure, including bridges, highways, metro lines, hospitals, and public facilities.
Sabroso.
National and local emergency services were placed on high alert following the quake. Civil protection teams coordinated with police, firefighters, and medical responders to assess damage and respond to calls for assistance. Helicopter and ground patrols were deployed to survey affected areas, particularly in densely populated neighborhoods and regions closer to the epicenter.
Debido al fuerte sismo que sucedió hace algunos momentos con una réplica. así se encuentran ahorita en estos momentos.
Initial assessments indicated no widespread structural collapse, although minor damage such as cracked walls, fallen debris, and damaged facades was reported in several locations. One fatality was reported in Mexico City, where an elderly man died while evacuating his residence during the earthquake.
En un carril, no se peguen mucho al cerro. Hay que abrir un carril.
Authorities stated that the death occurred during the evacuation process, rather than as a direct result of building collapse. Several people were treated for minor injuries related to panic, falls, or debris, and medical services remained on standby as inspections continued. Following the main earthquake, seismological authorities recorded numerous aftershocks, some of which were felt by residents in Guerrero and central Mexico. These smaller tremors are considered normal after a significant seismic event as the Earth's crust adjusts to the released energy. Officials urge the public to remain cautious, as additional aftershocks could occur in the coming hours or days.
Por la palmera. Ay, mamacita linda, sí. Creo que estamos apretando, mira. Sí. Por el agua se ve.
No mames, amor. No mames. Se está cayendo el puto, mira. Ya me paniqué. Mira cómo se menea.
Mexico City's geological conditions once again drew attention during the event. Built on the soft sediments of an ancient lake bed, the city is known to amplify seismic waves, allowing distant earthquakes to cause stronger shaking than expected. This unique terrain has historically contributed to severe earthquake damage and has driven decades of improvements in building codes, emergency planning, and public awareness campaigns.
Si tenemos en qué irnos. ¿Eh? Mira, no se está moviendo.
In Guerrero, authorities monitored mountainous and coastal areas for secondary hazards such as landslides, rockfalls, and potential damage to rural roads. Emergency teams worked to ensure that remote communities remained accessible and that communication lines stayed open. Residents in high-risk zones were advised to remain alert and follow guidance from civil protection agencies. As assessments continued, officials emphasized the importance of preparedness and calm.
Oi.